Hey guys, it's SterlingW. So I got myself a new portable pressure washer. This is a cordless one. In other words, it runs on battery power. And this thing runs for about close to 50 minutes or so, which is really cool. Now, the nice thing is that it actually has a integrated foam cannon, which is really nice, as well as the regular pressure washer is pretty good. Now, this is roughly around 500 PSI of water pressure, and it doesn't need a garden hose. So what it does, it actually pumps it through I put it in a pail bucket and it just pumps the water through. It does the cleaning pretty well, and at the same time, as you can see, I just basically put that hose and also that filter into my 5-gallon bucket of water. I could clean my entire porch with just about 5 gallons of water. I'm gonna probably do this with when cleaning my car, so I don't have to use the garden hose or anything. Now, it doesn't have a garden hose attachment. It basically only has that plastic hose that connects up. It does take a little, like about less than 30 seconds to prime. You just basically hold down the button and it starts pumping the air and the water through. It does come with a foam cannon, which is really nice. So you could basically put foam on it. Now, and it also has like a 4 amp hour battery. That battery will last about 50 minutes. Here's the hose. It's basically silver, and the filter for the hose, and also the extender rod for the pressure washer, and the head. So it also has a head for that as well. So you could just basically turn it so it actually goes to full stream, or it goes into a fan mode with 180 degrees fan. So here's the instructions. If you want to go ahead and take a look real quick, there are the stats and other stuff. And of course, there's that spray bottle and how to actually turn it on and change the modes. There's a power button behind the pressure washer that basically changes it into high, medium, and low modes, and that's about it. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge this thing first. The charge is pretty simple. It plugs directly into the battery, and then goes to the wall. It'll turn green when it's done, but usually it recharges at red. Adding the wand extension is pretty easily. You just basically stick it in and twist and turn to lock in. I'm putting on the water filter on one side of the hose, and the other side of the hose will be going into the coupler that goes into the pressure washer, which is neat. So let's go ahead and do that right now. You have to unscrew this part. I don't think you have to actually take off the entire cap, but I basically did that so I could just make sure that hose is all the way in there before I lock it down with the cap. So it's all done by pressure, and of course this doesn't have a garden hose attachment, but what it does, it just pulls water, so from a bucket. So you could think about, you could do this for a marine thing where you could want to wash your boat and stuff. You just basically source the water from somewhere close and it'll pump through it. It does take about a good 20-30 seconds for it to cycle through all the air, but it works pretty well. And there you have it. This is pretty much it. The foam cannon part actually attaches in the front, and what comes out is actually foam. I need to put a little bit more soap next time, but the other attachment is basically a fan or a stream cleaning, which is neat. If you open up the foam attachment, there is a small clear tube that goes all the way to the bottom, and of course there's a min and max for the soap amount that you want to ingest into the pressure washer thing. So makes pretty interesting foam. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you. I really do like it. It runs roughly around 50 minutes, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.